What's up, guys? Nick here. And in today's video, I'm going to go over 5 of the top reasons why I don't own crypto or Bitcoin. But before we get into that, let's look at my portfolio. As you can see, the passive income portfolio is $44,400.60. And I actually started the year at about 45,200 something dollars. So I am under what I started at the beginning of the year. And even my 401k with my job is down about to the same level it was at the beginning of the year. As you can see, over the past week, my market loss is almost $1,300, and I earned $41.21 in dividends. But even though my portfolio is down, if we go over to my dividend income, you can see that year over year, my income has increased. For example, January of 2021, I earned $86.37. January of 2022, I more than doubled that at $203.54. Same thing with February, I almost doubled it. March doubled. April almost double. And May, even though right now, May, the month isn't over, but I will earn more money this May than last May. So that's just the thing I want to keep in mind is even though my portfolio is going down in value, my dividend income is growing year over year. And next up, we can actually look at my portfolio. The biggest losers, or of course, Walmart dropped 19.43% just this past week. And then Costco, who hasn't even released their earnings yet, also dropped a ton. And so this last week was crazy with the earnings from Walmart and Target and just with how much those stocks dropped. And if we go into my activity, on the 16th, I actually received 4 dividends, $16.42 from AbbVie, $3.34 from Hormel, $5.15 from Procter & Gamble, and $5.32 from Stag. And then I deposited $125 and I bought 6 stocks, which were MasterCard, Procter & Gamble, Apple, Costco, American Waterworks, and Microsoft. And then I received a dividend from Texas Instruments of $8.07. And I had 2 buys of Costco and Walmart. So next, let's get into the topic of the video. Why I don't own crypto. These are 5 reasons. And starting off with number 1 is that crypto has never faced a recession. It was invented right after the financial crisis, and it rode that crazy bull run. And so I'm curious to see what happens to crypto as we go into a recession. Now, are we in a recession yet? We're halfway there. We'll see with inflation and rising fuel prices and rising food costs if we do actually go into a recession in the next quarter. But that's basically as far as number 1 goes. We haven't really seen a recession, and I don't count what happened in 2020 as a recession because it was only about a few months, month and a half, when they started with the PPP loans, the enhanced unemployment, and the stimulus checks. And that's what really shot crypto up and made it insane in the mainstream. And so we'll just see what happens. I want to see what happens with crypto in a real recession. And if it survives, then I may consider investing in it. Next up, we have the exchanges can take it in bankruptcy. So I was looking at this article and it says if a crypto exchange goes bankrupt, what happens? And the main thing I want to point out here, if I can find it, is that basically when it comes to crypto, it's not subject to the Federal Deposit Insurance or the SIPC. And what that means is normally with the SIPC, your stocks they are insured up to I think about 250K. It's about the same with the federal deposit insurance. But with crypto, your crypto's not insured at all. And in fact, the only way to insure it would be to take it off the exchanges and put it into what they call cold storage, which I imagine is just in a USB drive. So next up, my third reason why I don't own crypto is because one of the top 10 cryptos, Terra Luna, which was also a stable coin, it just went to zero. It dropped from $86 and about 20 cents to zero in 3 to 7 days, which is absolutely insane. And also the Terra stablecoin is down about 95%, and you used to be able to earn 14 to 20% interest on that crypto or on that stablecoin, which is crazy because I actually did consider putting my money into Terra. Not a lot, just a little bit to see what's happened. And I'm glad I didn't put any money into it because I would have lost it all. So next up, my number 4 reason why I don't own crypto is that when you die, it's gone forever. So I believe in the future, corporations are going to own all of the Bitcoin and Ethereum and the other top cryptos. Because when you die, if you don't have your password written down or whatever you need to pass on the crypto, it's just going to be gone. It's going to be trapped in either your cold storage or your exchange or however that works. I know I read a story about a guy in the UK who goes to the landfill almost every day looking for his USB because he accidentally threw away his crypto with it. And so that's just one small example of how crypto can be lost forever, and then it's pretty much useless when it's not in circulation. And then also number 5, I just don't see crypto as a productive asset. You can say that you could put your crypto in some of these exchanges and you'd earn interest off of it. But as the asset price of the crypto drops, so does the interest. Whereas you look at something like a dividend stock, if your dividend stock drops in value, you're still getting paid that dividend. And that's the one thing I like about dividend stocks is even though my portfolio is dropping in value, I can invest more money to buy more shares, which will increase my dividend income. And then that dividend income buys more shares, and it's just a snowball effect. And with crypto, I don't really see that happening. And there's a few other reasons why I don't really care for crypto. And another one is that it's not really used as a currency. And it became what people said was a store of value. However, Bitcoin has dropped $40,000. The crypto market in general dropped from a 3 trillion market cap to a 1.2 trillion market cap. And then you have people say that crypto was an inflation hedge, but can it really be an inflation hedge when Bitcoin is down a little over 38% in one of the highest inflation periods the United States has ever seen? I just don't think so. And so those are my reasons why I don't own crypto and why I won't own crypto until I see how it can perform during a recession. And that's why I had that at number 1. That is the main thing. And we're supposed to start going into quantitative tightening next month in June. And that means the Fed will start selling their balance sheet. So I'm actually curious how that'll impact not only the stock market, but the crypto market and just everything in general. And so as you guys can see my portfolio here, so that's going to be the video for this week. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like this video, comment down below, and subscribe if you want to see more investing content. And you can also pick up your free stocks with Webull down below, and you can earn $10 from M1 Finance when you sign up.